Hello students, how are you all? Hope you are all doing good. This is me Usha here. Today's topic is adjectives and its kinds. Adjectives are words that describe nouns. Adjectives answer such questions as what kind, which one, how many. Can you see this picture? Observe it carefully. After that, see the sentence. Today is a warm day with hundreds of birds chirping in the clear blue sky. In this sentence, see, warm day, warm day, warm day. It describes, the word warm describes, warm describes about the day. Next one, see, hundreds of birds. Here this word hundreds is indicating the number of birds there. How many? Next one again, clear blue sky. Here the words clear blue indicates the kind of the sky there. Now can I read it one more time for you? Today is a warm day with hundreds of birds chirping in the clear blue sky. Adjectives can be used to describe color. Everybody knows, no? All the colors like blue, red, green, brown, purple, yellow, black, etc. Opinion. Like we used to tell, no, he's a good boy, she is a pretty girl, like that. Opinion, good, pretty, right, wrong, funny, light, happy. Next one, size. We will tell them that is a big ball, that is a small bat, like that. Big, small, long, short. Age. Example, old, young. Next one, shape. Shape like round, triangle, rectangular, square, oval, etc. Origin, German, Malaysia. Material, glass, metal. Distance, like long, short, near, far. Temperature, cold, warm, hot, cool. Time, late, early, like that. Next one, if I make a web for that, how it will be? It will look similar to this. Types of adjectives. First one, it is adjective of quality. It can be written like qualitative, descriptive, adjective. Next one, adjective of quantity or adjective of quantitative. Next one, demonstrative, possessive, interrogative, distributive, and compound adjective. Adjective of quality. It can be written as qualitative or descriptive adjective. To describe the quality of a person or thing. For example, its size, general description like their physical appearance, age, shape, color, material, origin, and purpose. Examples, tall, excellent, slim, young, square, plastic. Now let's see two examples for this. The tall girl is my classmate. The students achieved excellent results. Quantitative adjective will tell us about how many or how much. Let's see with the examples. She found many pens under the table. There was no milk in the jug. There are 37 students in the class. Like that, I have already highlighted the words. See the words many, no, 37. These are the examples of adjective of quantity. Next one, demonstrative adjectives. Demonstrative adjective will always point out that particular noun. For example, this is my friend Dina. Those books belong to her. Interrogative adjectives are used to ask questions like what, whose, where, why, how, and which. Example, whose pen is this? Which way shall we go? Possessive adjectives. It shows the possession like my, your, his, her, our, their, its. Let's see with sentences now. This is her hat. Their parents came to my house yesterday. Whose parent? Their parents came to whose house? My house. Distributive adjectives to show that the person or things are counted collectively. Refer to members of a group as individuals. Normally used with singular nouns. Example, each, every, either, and neither. Let's see with examples. Each participant was asked to complete a survey. Second one, either of these movies would be interesting to me. Comparison of adjectives. There are three forms of comparison: positive, comparative, superlative. Here is the chart. We use er or est with the following adjective: positive, comparative, superlative. Clean, cleaner, cleanest. Dirty, dirtier, dirtiest. Clever, cleverer, cleverest. Simple, simpler, simplest. Narrow, narrower, narrowest. And comparison with more or most. Difficult, more difficult, the most difficult. Beautiful, more beautiful, the most beautiful. Let's see about irregular adjectives. The word is entirely different. That is the clue word. Good, better, best. Bad, worse, worst. Much, more, most. Many, more, most. Little, less, least. Little, smaller, smallest. Next one, for special adjectives. Some adjectives have two possible forms of comparison. Let's see that. Clever, cleverer also correct, as well as more clever. Cleverest, most clever. Common, commoner, more common, commonest, most common. Likely, likelier, more likely. Likeliest, most likely. Polite, politer, more polite. Politest, most polite. Simple, simpler, more simple. Simplest, most simple. Now, can you find the adjectives? But before plotting adjective, we have to first find the nouns. Let's do it. We saw the grey elephant at the zoo. We saw the grey elephant at the zoo. Here, what are the nouns here? Elephant and zoo. Here, which word describes about the elephant? Grey. Which word? Grey. So, grey is the adjective here. And for the zoo, I have not circled. The belongs to the demonstrative adjective. Next word. Next sentence. The brown dog growled at the tall man. In this sentence, what are the nouns here? Dog and man. So, what are the words describing about dog and man? Brown and tall. Like that, first you have to plot the nouns and then check out for the adjectives, and then in the adjectives you can ask what kind, how many. Like that, while you ask some questions, it will answer. Let's go for the recap. What are adjectives? adjectives or words which are used to describe nouns or pronouns. Types of adjectives. Descriptive adjectives or adjectives which tell us about the kind or quality of nouns or pronouns. Example, Betty is a clever girl. Next one, what are adjectives of number or quantity? Adjectives of number or quantity are adjectives which come before a noun showing how many or how much of the noun there is. Example, Mary gave me 5 oranges. What are demonstrative adjectives? Demonstrative adjectives are adjectives which point out nouns and are followed by the nouns which they point out. Example, this house is bigger than that one. What are interrogative adjectives? Interrogative adjectives or adjectives which ask questions and come before a noun. Which way shall we go? What are the 3 degrees of comparison? The 3 degrees of comparison are the positive degree, the comparative degree and the superlative degree. Now, here is the table. Please observe it for a while. I am going to have a little pause over here so that all the children can do it now. Please read one more minute. Please. Hope you have observed it properly. Clever, cleverer, cleverest, or more clever, most clever. He is cleverer than her. He is more clever than studious. Like that. I have framed some examples for you. Like this, can you make some examples for adjectives? For all the kinds, do not stop only with the form of the things. You can go with the adjective of quality, quantity, everything. Okay, at least 5. At least 5 you can do it and show to me or post me in the Google Classroom things. Thank you. Thank you, children. Thank you.